Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start with the topic punctuation. We have done this topic earlier also, but now we are going to do some new punctuation marks. We are going to understand new punctuation marks. Some of them you have done earlier, some of them you are going to do now only. Okay, so punctuation. First of all, what is punctuation? Punctuation is the use of marks. Okay, is the use of marks such as full stop, question mark, exclamation mark and capital letters in writing sentences and to clarify meaning. ऐसे मार्क्स जो हम सेंटेंस राइट करते वक्त यूज करते हैं एंड वी यूज देम टू क्लैरिफाई द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस इन अ बेटर वे. Okay, to clarify the meaning. So punctuation is the use of marks such as full stop, question mark, exclamation and capital letter in writing sentences and to clarify the meaning of the sentences in a better way. So we are going to understand 4: capital letter, question mark, exclamation mark and full stop. And I want you to have your notebook and pen or pencil with you so that you can note down the points where to use capital letter or where to use question mark. Okay, so first of all, capital letter we have discussed earlier also. So capital letter is used for begin or to begin a sentence when we have to start a sentence or when we have to write a full para also. But whenever we are going to start a new sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. Okay, like here, Ram is an honest man. My book is on the shelf. So the first letter of the sentence is written in capital letter. Okay, then begin a proper noun. Okay, whenever we have to write a proper noun, first of all, what is a proper noun? Name of a place, person, animal or thing, like name of a particular name of a place, person or animal. It should not be like boy, girl. It should be like proper name. Sumit, city name Chandigarh, girl Geeta or any beta. ठीक है, if we talk about river beta and if we talk about Ganga, ठीक है, तो the thing should have a proper name. If I talk about day and if I specifically talk about Tuesday, ठीक है, when we talk about a proper noun or when we are writing a proper noun, then the first letter of the proper noun must be written in capital letters. Okay, next, write a short form of a word. Whenever we are going to write a short form of a word, ठीक है, at that time we use capital letter like USA, United States of America, UK, Doctor, Mr, Mrs, MA, beard, and there are a lot more, etc. ठीक है, so there are 3 points: begin a sentence, begin a proper noun, write a short form of a word. And I have told you this thing always, that I will always be written in capital letter. ठीक है, I will always be written in capital letter, whether it is at the starting, whether it is in the middle or whether it is at the end, but it must be written in capital letter. ठीक है, so I will always be written in capital. ठीक है, I जो है, I will always be written in capital letter. Okay, So these are the point: to begin a sentence, to begin a proper noun, and write a short form of a word. Okay, next we are going to discuss question mark. Question mark. ठीक है. So question mark we use beta when we are asking a question. ठीक है, जब हम किसी सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तो लास्ट में हम क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाएंगे. वी यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क्स व्हेन वी आस्क क्वेश्चंस. जब हम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे एट दैट टाइम वी यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट इज यूज्ड एट द एंड ऑफ अ क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, जब आपका क्वेश्चन खत्म हो गया है, व्हेन यू हैव फिनिश्ड योर क्वेश्चन, एट दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू put the question mark at the end. Okay, for example, where is my book? Which stories do you like? ठीक है, here you are asking a question. Okay, so we have to put question mark at the last. Next, exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, it is like this. And exclamation mark beta we use to express our sudden feeling, strong warning और a short command. ठीक है, जब हम कुछ strongly शो करना चाहते हैं, चाहे वो आप हैप्पीनेस शो करना चाहते हो स्ट्रांगली, चाहे आप सैडनेस शो करना चाहते हो, या फिर आपको बहुत अच्छा सा सरप्राइज मिल गया है, और या फिर आप कुछ सोच रहे हो, मीन्स आपको हैरानी हो रही है उस चीज को लेके, है ना. यू आर फीलिंग ऑस्ट्रक दैट हाउ दिस कैन हैपन. ठीक है, सो फॉर देम वी यूज एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. ठीक है, जब हमें कुछ स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग फील हो, स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रीफ. बेटा ग्रीफ मीन्स सैडनेस. स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ जॉय, हैप्पीनेस, सरप्राइज, वंडर. स्ट्रॉन्ग वार्निंग, अगर आपको कि बहुत स्ट्रांगली आपको कोई वार्निंग दे दे, डू नॉट डू दैट. ओके, और स्टॉप देयर, स्टॉप टॉकिंग. ओके, तो वेन एवर देर इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वार्निंग एंड वेन देर इज अ शॉर्ट कमांड और अ शॉर्ट ऑर्डर. ठीक है, वो शॉर्ट कमांड कोई भी हो सकती है बेटा, लाइक आई हैव यूज्ड एज अ वार्निंग ऑल्सो. वो उसको आप कमांड में भी ले सकते हो, दैट don't talk or stop at once or don't go there. Okay, like that. So here are example beta. What a lovely gift it is means gift आपको इतना अच्छा लगा है, so you are expressing your feeling कि कितना ज्यादा अच्छा गिफ्ट है, and at last we have used exclamation. What a lovely gift it is. Alas. Alas is used beta for the sadness. In the exclamation marks beta there are some words जिनके पीछे exclamation mark लगता है. ठीक है, alas is there beta, hurrah is there. I will write here alas. Hurrah is used for happiness. Oh, so there are words which shows our excitement. Alas is for the when the things are really, you're feeling really sad or something sad happen. Hurrah for joy, for happiness. Oh, if there is any kind of mistake or any wish beta. So there are so many. Okay, alas we have lost the match. Why beta? He or she is sad or they are sad that they lost the match. Okay, next, full stop. फुल स्टॉप बेटा एट द एंड ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. जब भी हमारा सेंटेंस फिनिश हो गया, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज फुल स्टॉप. ठीक है, लाइक माई नेम इज सैली, फुल स्टॉप. राइट एन एब्रीवेशन बेटा, ये हमने पीछे भी अभी किया था जब हमने MA, B.Ed, USA, UK, मिस्टर, मिस, तो हमने जब भी वो लिखा है वी हैव यूज्ड कैपिटल लेटर एंड वी हैव यूज्ड दीज फुल स्टॉप ऑल्सो. ठीक है, तो abbreviation means beta short form. Whenever you are going to write abbreviation or whenever you are going to write a short form of a word, at that time you are going to use full stop also. ठीक है. I live in UK. Mr. John is my friend. Or you can say beta he is an MA. ठीक है. तो whenever we are using a short form of a word, at that time we use full stop. Okay. Next are some examples we are going to solve now. Okay. And this is also an punctuation mark, apostrophe. Okay. First of all, we will solve these one. Okay. So that we come to know that we have understood these four properly. First of all, beta, Rohan. R capital. Rohan is a good student. It is a simple sentence, beta. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? So it is a question. Hurrah. Hurrah. The holidays have begun. Means बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है कि holidays शुरू हो गई है. Hurrah. The holidays have begun. How wonderful the Taj Mahal. Beta, Taj Mahal is a proper name of a building. Proper name of a building. How wonderful the Taj Mahal looks. Means Taj Mahal को देख के आप इतने ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो गए, उसकी ब्यूटी को देख के आप इतने ज़्यादा हैरान हो गए हो. So it is showing your sudden feeling. How wonderful Taj Mahal looks. Next बेटा, have you won the quiz? क्या आप क्विज जीत गए? Question mark बेटा. So like this, we have to identify the sentence, whether there is a simple statement, whether there is a question, or whether they have shown a strong feeling, joy, warning in a sentence. Next beta, I want to talk about this apostrophe. ठीक है. Apostrophe beta, this sign is used like this beta. है this, ये ऊपर आएगा बेटा. apostrophe लगता है और उसके साथ s लगता है. So ये sign क्यों यूज होता है? Why we use this sign बेटा? This sign is used बेटा when you want to show that something belongs to someone. ठीक है. When you want to show बेटा कि ये चीज किससे बिलोंग करती है. ठीक है. By using apostrophe s. By using apostrophe s. Okay. Here is the example बेटा. The girl's rose. This rose belongs to this girl. ये rose किसका है? Girl का. The girl's rose. The gardener's rake. This rake belongs to this gardener. Rake is a beta gardening tool. Rake is a gardening tool. ये garden में use होता है बच्चे. Next बेटा, Shelly's grandmother. किसके grandmother बेटा? Shelly's. किसके grandmother? Shelly's. Shelly's grandmother read a story. Minnie's brother is enjoying swing. Whose brother बेटा? ये brother किसका है? किसका हमें पता चल रहा है? Minnie's. ठीक है. तो we use apostrophe s when we want to show that something belongs to someone, कि ये इससे belong करता है. At that time we use apostrophe s. It is very easy to use बेटा. Only you have to add apostrophe and s. ठीक है. And we are coming to know that this thing or this person belongs to this. ठीक है. Grandmother, Shelly's. Brother, Minnie's. Okay. So this is all beta from my side for today. I hope I have cleared your doubt. Okay. Question mark beta when we are going to ask a question. Exclamation when we are showing our sudden feeling. That sudden feeling can be of joy, can be of sadness, can be of surprise, can be of wonder. can be a warning also. Full stop beta at the end of a simple statement and when we use a short form. Apostrophe beta when we want to show that something belongs to someone. Okay, so this is all. Try to do practice beta more and more of grammar in your through your workbook and through your book also. Okay, so stay home, stay safe. Thank you.